If you look down here, you will notice that I've posted 286 on this channel, and then on this particular channel I've also posted 67 videos, and altogether 353 long form videos, which gave me a total of 9.1 million views. Now I've had over 3-4 viral videos, 1 million, 2 million, and thousands of views. Now, putting the proof aside, I want to share with you 3 hardcore truths I really wish I knew before I started. Number 1, some of the videos you are creating now, you're doing everything, you're putting in the work, spending hours and hours putting all the work, and then it gives you 8 views. And guess what? 3 views from that video is from you refreshing to see how the video is going.
Let me show you guys something. Just like this particular video that I posted that went viral, this video currently have 1.1 million views, but when I posted it, it didn't go far initially. In the first 13 days, it got 188k views, and it took another 290 days for it to go viral to over 1 million. So this also shows you that sometimes your video will take time before it peaks.
Like I showed you in this video, the algorithm might take time. One thing about YouTube is that if a video is good and it is meant for a particular people, it is evergreen. It is something that people will one day search for. When it is time, YouTube is going to show it to those people that really need it. Just as you never expected, you feel down, you feel really angry because it's not working. When your people come, they are going to resonate with the video so well. Majority of the videos I posted as a small creator never blew up, and guess what? They will never blow up. They will remain on 8 views. You know why? Because they suck. They are rubbish. They just don't make sense enough for YouTube to pick it or for people to search for them. But if you're doing everything right and you remain consistent, irrespective of some of those videos that have flopped sometimes, the algorithm will one day pick them up. That's why I tell people, don't ever delete any video from your channel because it didn't do well. Don't ever do that. Someday the people that need it are going to come get it. And guess what? You need to stay consistent, even if no one is watching, even when the video is not doing well, even when it is just 8 views, because you don't know if you're 1 minute away from your viral video. Nobody told me this earlier. Sometimes I get pissed off that my videos are not doing well. I compare myself to, some people in my niches, they are blowing up every other day and my videos just suck. But there's one thing that nobody can take away from me as a creator of over 3 years. And that is the skills that I've acquired just from being a content creator, shooting video just with my phone. If you are creating videos intentionally on YouTube, trying to get better per video, you're not where you used to be, you're trying to improve yourself on every video that you post. Each of those videos that you post adds something to you. It just adds something to you that you never know you will need some. It helps you stay more confident. I used to be that very timid girl that don't talk in public, that is always on my own. But you can't believe that I'm now the girl that walks up in front of a church of over 2,000 people and I share my testimony. That is what creating content have done for me. And guess what? I have done a lot of editing jobs. I've taken editing gigs, shooting videos for people, serving as a mobile videographer just because I started shooting videos on my phone. Being on this space gives you leverage over a lot of things, and it just opens your hands to a lot of things that you can make money from, not just from the platform, not just from AdSense that YouTube pays you. And can we talk about the connection that I've built from YouTube? I know a lot of people that I've met being on the internet, being on the space. I know how much people trust me just because they see me online. And just imagine if I'm somewhere hiding and refusing to put myself out there. All these things lead you to getting more views and definitely more subscribers and eventually more money. So it doesn't matter if the money doesn't flow, just look at all that parts of YouTube that you can make money from and all that places you can put in your skills. Number 2 is that your backlog of unsuccessful videos, those videos that you feel they are not successful, those videos that have 8 views, that is where strength is built. That is where community is built. Your community is not the people that gather when you blow. They are not the people that gather when you have viral video. They are the people that are there with you from start. The people that are adding, that one subscriber that added this week, the two that are joined next week, the three that join upper week, they are the community that you're building. And guess what? Because they are seeing you showing up, there's a level of trust and accountability that they can hold you to, because you are not giving up. I am telling you, as someone that have viral videos over and over, very few people will become loyal to a channel after a viral video. Very few. Those people that came when the video was unsuccessful, they are actually the die-hard community members that you need. And guess what? You are just one video away from that viral video, and when those people will come, they will actually understand that you've had people that were there for you, and you're just a full step away from the viral video. All it is going to take is time. Imagine if you are inconsistent and people are posting your ideas, people are posting some of the things you wish you want to post. For someone like me, YouTube have demonetized my channel 3 times. Hey God, that's not why we are here. I made a video about that. I'm going to share it in the description. Just go down and watch that video. That is enough reason for someone to make up their mind to actually leave this platform, because it can be what? Depressing. But guess what? I am still here. So what am I saying? If you're finding it difficult to start, if you're finding it difficult, your channel is not growing, and you're at this spot, you're not moving, just watch this video. It will give you a step-by-step on how to start, and also maybe help you review your channel and check where you're making mistakes. Don't quit, guys. Don't quit. Keep giving your audience what they need, and you will definitely see results. See you over there.